2019, hindi mapakali ang mag-asawang Ben at Alice dahil sa taas ng interest rate ng kanilang tirahan at bahay na pinapaupahan.
Itong bahay na to, tapos may bahay pa kaming isa dito rin sa Gilroy, which is rental property. Yun ang negative.
Negative kami ng 500. Ganon.
5%, yung iba nasa 3% na lang. Bakit kami kami ma-qualify? Yung 5% na yun, laki nun. Mahirap din, mahirap yung nagbabayad ka rin ng kung ilang percent o 5%, tapos yung negative 500, we cannot afford life. Because ano na kami, yung retired na, saan kami kukuha?
3 mortgage company ang tinawagan ko. Hindi ako naniniwalang hindi ako makakwalify. Ganon.
May nakareserbang ipon ng mag-asawa, pero ayon sa pagkalkula ni Alice, bilang na bilang ang mga araw nila.
O ganito yung computation, hanggang 10 years na lang yung tatagal ng pera natin ganyan.
Minsan nga, sabihin niya, 3 years na lang tayo dito, tapos wala na. Sabi ko, paano nangyayari yun? Kaya siyempre ako,
Ang iniisip
apektado.
ko, pupunta sa ibang lugar, kunyari Stockton, Las Vegas, o kaya mas mura yung ano doon.
Parang depressed ka kasi sarili mong pera, para bang you just giving it away. Paano ang buhay namin?
Humingi ng saklolo ang mag-asawa sa ating dalawang bida.
Nakilala ko si Ning tsaka si Robert sa Adobo Nation. Nakikita ko sa TV, marami silang natutulungan.
Natanto kaagad ni na Rob and Ning na reverse mortgage is the way to go.
Ako, ang paniwala ko sa reverse mortgage, pagka pumasok ka sa program na yan, mapupunta sa government yung bahay mo. Kahit na yung mga kaibigan ko, ganun din ang paniwala nila. Pero since na-meet namin si Ning at saka si Rob at pinaliwanag sa amin yung tungkol sa reverse mortgage, naunawaan ko lahat.
Sa iyo pa rin yung bahay na yun. Hindi totoo na mapupunta sa gobyerno o sa bangko yung bahay.
It's sad that we have to keep bringing up that thing to counter misinformation, right? But you own your property, you pass it on to your heirs, and it is a loan. Power of a reverse mortgage help a lot of people with retirement in the area of cash flow.
When we run the numbers, when we made a plan, right, we need to make sure, Robert, na ma-meet natin yung kanilang two important goals. And one is yung to be able to live in this beautiful house for the rest of their lives.
Right.
Kasi yung mga bata, they don't want to move anymore. The other thing is to be able to refinance the rental property and lower the payment para medyo maging cash flow sila.
Yeah, so let me see if I got this straight. With all those things that they wanted to accomplish, we lowered their interest rate,
Yeah.
we balanced out their cash flow, and they still have reserves. Is that correct?
Exactly.
So let's just be clear. Not everyone needs to reinvest in their home to do
Yes.
reverse mortgage. Most people don't. And that was a choice for Alice and Ben,
Right.
was do we reinvest in our principal
Right.
to get down to the reverse mortgage, or do we invest in another property to build cash flow? And again, they made the right decision, right?
Right.
They lowered their principal, got that reverse mortgage,
Yes.
balanced out their cash flows, and maintained equity.
Right.
It's a much better plan for them. They're more secure, and it's just it's a good outcome.
Lubos yung pasasalamat namin. Thank you very much for Rob and Ning sa tulong na binigay niyo sa amin.
Ay nako, nawalan na kami ng problema. Nawala na kaming utang. Ang ganda-ganda ng credit namin ngayon. Excellent.
Nag-iisip na kung saan
Magbakasyon.
mamasyal, bakasyon, using the current money that we have.
Bakasyon kami lagi.
Kaya yun, enjoy lang ang buhay. Kaya mga kaibigan, mga kumpare ko, reverse mortgage tayo. Yan ang suggestion ko lang. At kay Rob and Ning po tayo. Tawagan natin siya, or you guys can call us para ma-explain din namin sa inyo yung talagang na-experience namin sa kanila tungkol sa reverse mortgage.
Pwede na kaming mamasyal-masyal, magkasi-kasino.